In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new defaults. In my case, Firefox browser. When your new app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down, click on Apps, select Manage Apps, and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then, after tapping on Other Settings, finally access Default Apps. Now you need to tap on one of those categories, in my case browser. And last but not least, click on your new app to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!